Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a password on Windows 10. So you wanna open up your search, and then right here, we wanna search for Windows Security Settings, and you should get this, System Settings. So select this app, and right here where it says Find a Setting, we wanna search for Password, and the first option should be this, Change your password. So click on it, and then right here, password, sign in with your account's password. You want to press on it. It will tell you that you don't have a password if you don't have one already. You must add a password before you can use other sign-in options. So you click on add, and then here is where you actually create your pass. So you have to write your new password, confirm it, and then the password hint is mandatory as well, so you don't forget your password. So I'm just gonna do something like this. Write something like Breaking Bad, and then I'll know what my password is. So that's how you do it. You gotta press on next, and then the process is fairly over, or it's pretty much over. So that's how you set a password on Windows 10. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.